nature, his essence, and words so strong and true. He that loves not knows not God. This truth for me and you. For God is love, his very being, his essence from above. Every good and perfect gift flows from his pure, sweet love. Oh, yes, it does. Love that, let us love one another. For love is of God, we see. Oh, and everyone that loves is born of God and knows him eternally. For doesn't show this love still walks in shadows dim. You must reflect his him, showing light. No man has seen God at any time, but if we love with all our might, God dwells in us, and his love is perfected, shining ever bright. We know that we abide in him, and he in us so free, because he's given us his spirit for all the world to see. His spirit lives. And his nature, his perfection, in glorious presence, just from the Father's heart, all the God in love, a perfect sweet voice, love divine, on his nature, his God is love, the Father's heart.